Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 GMC Terrain. Stock number is 18M163A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have chrome wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the Continental tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Terrain on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.